I only came to know of Newari.
Do you love our culture?
Yes, so
Our
unique,
places?
so nice.
So why don't you just stay here and marry a Nepali girl?
Oh my
Nepali girl,
gosh.
in fact.
I also pray and wish for that. Yeah. What else? What is so unique about your? What else about your culture?
Food, dress, everything. Your ornaments.
Yeah, I tried a lot of the food. What about boys? This is there any other dress for the boys like other than this?
Like that, Daura Suwal also.
Okay, like this one, huh?
And this one or
Okay, that's nice.
this one?
And people are so friendly. Yeah. And I'm also so curious to know much about them, guys. So nice. I'm so lucky to be here today. Let's explore and get to know much about the culture.